My name is Katie Cho, and I am the Chief of Capital Delivery at the MBTA. The Capital Delivery Department is the department at the MBTA that designs and constructs all of our projects on the transit, commuter rail, bridge, and bus system. Our projects can range in size from small to large, so things that are completed within about a year, or they can be projects that can span up to 5 or 6 years, depending on how we phase construction and the size of the project. Capital Delivery is right now about 70 employees. We're split into 4 groups. We have bridges and structures, we have commuter rail, transit, and operations support. Bridges and structures take care of all of our bridges, tunnels, retaining walls, and other structural components on our infrastructure. The operations support group helps out with our operations department to help them with their maintenance of infrastructure, as well as smaller projects, often technology related or accessibility. And the transit system works on our transit lines to build stations, accessibility features within our stations, and infrastructure upgrades. And that includes all of our bus network, including the bus lanes and our bus maintenance facilities. One of our big initiatives is bringing the system into a state of good repair. So we have a lot of track work, tunnel work, power work, and signal work across all of the heavy rail lines that are taking place over the course of the next 2 years. The replacement of the Gloucester Drawbridge is one of our most complex projects. It involves working with the navigation channel under the bridge, working with train traffic over the bridge, and working with the contractor to set major components of the bridge with heavy cranes. We're in the process of designing elevator upgrades to 10 stations. We are replacing 6 bridges this summer across our system, and we are heading into a major program to replace our bus maintenance facilities so that we can accommodate all of the new zero-emission buses that the MBTA will be purchasing over the course of the next 10 years. Capital Delivery was also excited to build the first center-running bus lane in New England on Columbus Avenue in Boston. We broke ground on the replacement of 2 new stations this year on the commuter rail system, Winchester Center Station and Worcester Union Station. And we cut the ribbon on a brand new Chelsea station that provides a direct connection to the Silver Line and downtown and the rapid transit system. Capital Delivery is a fun department to work for because we work with every other department at the MBTA in order to make sure that we are delivering projects that really enhance the customer experience of the people who ride the system. My day is often filled with meetings with people across the MBTA to ensure that our projects are delivered safely, efficiently, and in a way that best serves the customers and the riders of the MBTA. We are really looking at how we are building a resilient MBTA and ensuring that we are taking climate change into consideration and addressing any vulnerabilities across the system. We get to understand the operations of the MBTA and also make sure that we are meeting the goals of the agency moving forward.